Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel here on YouTube, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make mini fake gifts. They're very easy to make, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get 3 sheets of used copy paper. I recommend using paper that you are no longer going to need. What you're going to do is you're going to fold each sheet of paper 5 times. Once you're done, set them aside. Next, cut out a piece of wrapping paper that is 5 inches in length and 3 inches in width. Next, you're going to stack the 3 pieces of paper that you folded, and you're going to wrap it like a regular gift. And be sure to have some tape. Next, cut up a piece of string that is 15 inches. You can use balloon string or yarn. For this video, I'll be using yarn. What you're going to do is you're going to place the mini gift on top of the middle part of the string. And you're going to grab the two ends of the string. You're going to have them cross each other. And then you're going to have them turn 90 degrees opposite of each other. And then you're going to have them meet on the other side of the gift. And you're going to tie a small ribbon. And you're basically done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how to make mini fake gifts. I hope they were easy for you to make. And on that note, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below anything that's on your mind or any video suggestions that you have for me that I can try on this channel. And I'll see you guys next year. Bye y'all. Happy New Year's.